name is Bap. Today I'm gonna show you how to install side skirts on your 90 Civic. If you got an EG or an EK, this will work for you. Let me go ahead and install it, and then at the end of the video, I'm gonna give a little bit more detail about this car. Bam. All right, so the parts that are included in this kit are 2 side skirts. You have your bolt, washers, and nuts. These are all 10 millimeters. Then you're gonna have your Allen key sets. This requires a 5/32 Allen key. And then you have the 6 mounting points. So in the first step of this install, you need to lift your car at least 1 foot off the ground to have clearance so you can drill into the side panel. Once you get your car up, the second step is preparing to mount your side skirt. The easiest way I found to mount the side skirt is place the hardware. Usually it sits on top, but I'm gonna place it underneath the lip. And once I got it lined up how I want it, I'm gonna take the Sharpie, I'm gonna mark the hole, then I'm gonna drill into the car. Now that all 6 holes has been drilled, I'm gonna remove the mounting clips from the skirt itself. And what I'm gonna do is install the mounting clips onto the lip itself, all the way across. All the mounting points are on the lip. As you can see, all the way down. The last thing you need to do is put the side skirts on the car. Easy. Just like that, I got the passenger side complete. I'm gonna hop on the driver's side, then I'm gonna pull the car out. Just a quick tip. When you install the mounting hardware, you got little slits in there so you can slide it back and forth to give you wiggle room to play with when you're mounting this. And on top of that, if you wanna fill the gap that you have right here, there's a little slit right here where this goes, it's adjustable up and down. There. Oh, there. This is my 1993 EG Civic hatch. This is my budget build. So far, if you see the price at the bottom of the screen, this is where we at. The side skirts are officially installed. I got my spoon wing on there. I got the side skirt on there that ran me about $300 ship. The wing cost me $100 ship. The livery, all together, I did that myself, pieced together about $150 in total. License plate, $15. Hey, this budget build coming together. The only thing left for this build is that I need to go ahead and put on the door protectors. I need to buy new ones. Actually, I have some, but I want to buy some new ones. I'm gonna link it in the next video that I post. And I need an exhaust because this thing is screaming. It's screaming from the headers. I don't know if you've seen. I'm gonna see if I can get it on camera. I can't get it on camera, but I'm leaking oil. Your boy leaking oil. The true Honda gang. You ain't no Honda man if you ain't leaking no oil. But it's literally just the headers, nothing back. I got the windshield wiper deleted. I'm gonna get a cowl for that. I need a new windshield because my shit is cracked. Interior is finally completed. Not really. I need to get me a new dash. Well, I got a new dash I need to install. I'm gonna make a video for that. But yeah, other than that, I got the spare tire in the back. The original spare tire. Yeah. Disc brakes are installed. Rear disc brakes and front disc brakes. Yeah. Let's see what it looks like. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Follow this budget build because we gonna turn things up with this thing. We're gonna do it notch by notch, but then I'm gonna blow it up. If you guys like the way this budget build is starting to turn out, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and subscribe, like, leave a comment, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Remember, turn your dreams into memories, now wishes, and I'll catch you later.